Just finished up on the install on the 2021 VW Tiguan reversing camera. So as you can see, our reversing camera is mounted into the tailgate. Discreet, so from afar you don't notice it's there. Now to the front of the vehicle now. If we start the vehicle up, as you'll see, the screen will be original as it normally will. Now if we put the vehicle into reverse, the screen will come up. There we go. So it's just loading up. So there it's into reverse. If I take it out of reverse now, it goes back into normal. If I go back into reverse, it comes back in. We have movable guidelines left and right, obviously with the steering wheel. So if I spin the steering wheel left and right, we also get the ability for your factory sensors to be displayed on the screen, which is here, as close to OEM as possible. If I go back into park, it returns back to its normal unit.